If you're looking for a premium dash cam that offers crystal clear video, smart features, and reliable protection on every journey, the REDTIGER F7N Touch is definitely worth a closer look. This dual-channel dash cam records in stunning 4K Ultra HD at the front and 1080p Full HD at the rear, so you'll always have detailed footage from both directions. Thanks to the advanced Sony STARVIS 2 image sensor, combined with HDR and WDR technology, it performs exceptionally well during the day and delivers impressive clarity at night, making license plates and road details easier to capture in low-light conditions. One feature that really stands out is the 3.18-inch touchscreen display. It's responsive, easy to use, and makes navigating menus or reviewing footage quick and simple. The dashcam also supports voice control, allowing you to lock important recordings, capture photos, or control key functions without taking your hands off the steering wheel, helping you stay focused on the road. Sharing footage is just as convenient. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi connects directly to the REDTIGER Cam app on your Android or iPhone. With download speeds of up to 20 megabytes per second, transferring videos to your phone is fast and hassle-free. Whether you need evidence after an accident or simply want to save a memorable road trip, everything can be done wirelessly within minutes. The integrated GPS records your driving speed, location, and route alongside every video. This information can be extremely useful when reviewing trips or providing additional evidence for insurance claims. Another great advantage is that REDTIGER includes a 128GB memory card in the box, so you can start recording immediately without purchasing extra storage. The loop recording feature automatically replaces the oldest unlocked files when the card is full, while the built-in G sensor detects sudden impacts and instantly locks important recordings to prevent them from being overwritten. For even greater peace of mind, you can enable 24-hour parking monitoring using the optional hardwire kit. This allows the dashcam to automatically record if it detects movement or an impact while your vehicle is parked, providing extra security even when you're away from your car. Installation is straightforward, with both the front and rear cameras, mounting accessories, cables, and everything you need included in the package. Most users can have it installed and ready to use in a short amount of time. Overall, the REDTIGER F7N Touch delivers premium video quality, excellent night vision, fast Wi-Fi, voice control, GPS tracking, touchscreen controls, and dependable safety features in one complete package. Whether you're commuting every day, taking long road trips, or simply want extra protection on the road, this dashcam offers excellent value for money. If you're thinking about buying the REDTIGER F7N Touch, check the first link in the video description. I've included the Amazon link where you can see today's latest price, available discounts, customer reviews, and full product details. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to GearRated, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews of the best Amazon car gadgets and automotive accessories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.